Okay, so today is June 14th, and a week from now is June 21st, and it's gonna be the day I'm gonna complete my third month of studying Japanese, and the fourth is gonna start. And I just wanna show a few stuff quickly here. So today I added 20 cards. Uh, I'm on a 93-day streak, and the statistics show that I have already studied 55 hours on this deck, and my average review every day is 39 minutes, 39.4 minutes. Today, oh, I didn't need to close that. Today, I studied for 27 minutes. Coming back again. And 19.5 cards a day. And there are some days I add more, some days I add less. Only 3 days I added no card. But I try to, if I can add at least 10 cards, I'm happy. And I have 1,654 cards. 71% of them are mature, and there's the other data here. You can see it, and let me just show you from this point of view. 1,654 cards and a lot of phrases. So this week we had a lot of cleaning here in my house, and while I was cleaning some stuff, I was listening to podcasts and in Japanese, and I've been trying to make YouTube recommend me more Japanese videos by watching videos in Japanese without subtitles, and my capacity to understand stuff, both spoken and written, is improving, even though there are a lot of stuff I can't understand yet. But I'm still adding a lot of vocabulary, and I don't want you to think that everything's been just magical and easy. There are still a lot of stuff I don't get, and yeah, it was just I just wanted to show this, and yeah, bye.